Okay, this is just a quick video. This is a 2002 Chrysler PT Cruiser, and this is the upstream sensor that I'm removing right now. I just got it loose. I rented the oxygen sensor tool from AutoZone. So this is it right here. It was like $30. Get your money back when you bring the tool back. So I'm just loosening this up, and it's just a little quick video. Let me see if I can try to do this. But yeah, see it's turning. But let me finish this and I'll get back. Y'all might be able to see this. Let me see. Hold on. This might be upside down, so sorry for the confusion. Let me see. I'm doing this by myself, so. Man, that's just eating up the goddamn. Whatever. I can probably possibly do it like that. Let me go. Yeah, that wasn't smart. But you know what? It's cool. Hold on 1 second. It's a good thing I already had a replacement already. I don't want none of that going down the O2 since the new one when I put it in. I can get it by hand. I don't know if you guys can see that. Sorry, my lock's in the way. Okay, and we are out of there. See? Okay. Okay. Sorry about that. The Denso oxygen sensor. Okay. And I'm going to put that in. I'm going to put some anti-seize on there. Just on the threads. Just on the threads, that's it. Okay, gotta be careful here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm trying to start doing this with one hand. Let's see. I think I'm gonna use. Okay, I'm trying to hand tighten it a little bit. I'm just trying to get in here, tighten it up. Just take your time with it. Don't rush. You know, I noticed nobody talked about doing this on the non-turbo. I wasn't gonna make a video, but I said I'll just do a little something. It's not hard. It's not hard. I'll tell you the truth, the hardest thing was getting that connector apart for me. But that was it. But I will say, get you a cheater pipe. So I have this longer extension. This is like a, what is this? A 2-foot extension. This is a 3/8 drive, 2-inch extension I have. I'm using right now. With a 3/8 ratchet. I would say get you a cheater pipe, and use that to crank on it to loosen it up. I did put some PB Blaster on here after I drove before, just a little bit, and let it sit, and just started cranking on it. You know, just started cranking on it, and it came loose. You know, and to be honest with you guys, this was a spur of the moment type of thing. Oh yeah, it's getting tight now. Crank that down. But I don't want to over tighten. And then I got to get going. Yeah, that's good. Whew. All right. That is good. There you go. You guys can see that. So, the door. And yeah. Now I'm just gonna put the connector. I don't know if you can see that. It's bad lighting. It's in dark. But anyway, I'm trying to see. Yeah, there it is. I forgot to tell you guys. I did take off this little elbow right here. It's just a flat head there and there. And I just disconnected this just so I have some room to take the connector off and to put it back on. How I put the connector back on, for me, so like I said, I got big arms. I just went one hand over here, leaned in up here, and put my other hand around here and just put it together. So you can see there it is right there. Okay. So that was it. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you got any questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next video.